In this video, we will demonstrate how to install a split-finish privacy mortise bolt into your door. Make sure your door is prepped with a provided template. These are the components included in the kit. First, install the privacy mortise bolt in the edge of your door and attach the faceplate using the 2 screws. Hold the interior turnpiece on the edge of the door and cut the spindle so it is halfway through the latch. It is important that the spindle is cut to allow the use of the emergency release key. Insert the turnpiece spindle into the mortise bolt. Pre-drill the door for the specific turn knob you are using, and attach to the door using the 2 screws. Position the emergency release trim on the exterior side of the door and attach with the 2 provided screws. Prep the door for the specific emergency release trim you are using. Test the use of the emergency release key. Finally, install the emergency release cap to cover the access hole. Your Mortis deadbolt is now installed.